Removing the hinges and rails. This is actually pretty easy. I've already done this side, but what we're going to do is we're going to take the hinges off first, and you can see there we've got two carriage bolts. They're 7/16. You're going to pull those, catch the bolts that fall out from the other side, and then underneath here we've got one carriage bolt that's a 5/8 that holds that on. That's the one you can pull just by itself on both sides if you want to just take the head off. Take both those off, and then we'll be able to get to the rails. We've got two screws on the rails and two carriage bolts that have another 7/16 there on the other side that you're going to take off. To get to that other one, you got to take the hinge off. That's why we do that first. Already have it off on this side, easy peasy. And one thing on this side, you're going to need to take this protective cover from the power supply off. Make sure this thing's unplugged, don't fry yourself. But underneath here, that's how you're going to get to the carriage bolts on this side, is by removing that. Last tip, female bolt for the hinge has a spacer ring that goes on it. Put that on before you reassemble. It's easier.